Okay, so this is all the wood that I got from Wood Pallets. I'm ready to build this. Let's go. So first thing, these are warped right there if you notice. So I'm gonna join it with a level using a straight edge and just running it through my table saw. And now this is what it looks like when it's jointed. Looks good. So now it's time to get all the pieces ready and get them cut to size, run them through the planer and the table saw, and just getting everything ready to assemble this table. Once you put wood pallets to the planer and really like mill them, they look really nice. They look really nice wood. This is hardwood and it's expensive wood. So now I'm just gonna really just get ready to assemble this, and a few last sessions at the miter saw here. Okay, so I'm gonna do a glue up here. I'm gonna laminate two of these together. So now it's the last part, the drawer, which is probably the most complex part. And I'm going to be gluing these pieces together, adding these support runners on each side and gluing them to the board so I don't have to laminate the boards, if that makes any sense. But first I'm going to laminate the door front with two of these wood pallet boards, and I'm going to do a glue up. Okay, so I'm just going to glue the sides together, and then I'm going to reinforce them with a few nails. I don't have a brad nailer yet. That's something I need to get. That's going to help a lot. Okay, so now the door front is done. It looks really great. Didn't warp or anything. That's perfect. Now it's time to put on the drawer slides. These are about 12 inches. You can get them at Home Depot. They're 12 bucks. This is Canadian. And so now this took me about 3 different tries. I was using a piece of scrap wood to get the right size, and I finally got a scrap piece of wood that fit perfectly. And I'm just going to test it out and see how it fits. Works out great. This is awesome. And now the front face, I'm going to see how it fits. Looks good. So before that, I'm going to cut out the door handle notch. And then I'm going to use some wood shims here just to get the right distance and spacing. And then I'm going to actually glue it together, which is, I think, unorthodox when it comes to putting these on. But this is what I did. I'm just going to clamp it together. And that's worked out fine, actually. Like, it works perfect. It's like my final test here, and it really smooth, and it just looked really nice. Guys, thank you so much for watching. This is what you can do with wood pallets. There's so many things. It's a great way to start learning and just start woodworking, or if you don't want to spend the money on wood because the prices are so erratic. But anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and more videos coming. Have a great day, and God bless. All right, so this table is finally complete. Look, complete, all wood pallets, nothing else. I think it's another good project. This was so simple, by the way, guys. You guys can do this. And I just love the way it turned out. I did get the idea from the internet. Of course, I added my own unique characteristics to it. So it looks really nice. Drawer opens nice and smoothly. you know, I got my book there. So check this out, guys. This was basically a free project. Wood pallets you can get mostly are free. They're lying around all over the places. So I'm glad that I was able to build something like this. Guys, if you got an opportunity, check out this video right here. Really good video. Also, guys, don't forget, please do me a favor, subscribe, like the video, and hit that bell icon. Most importantly, guys, have a great day, and God bless.